Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to increase video quality in Capcut. First, open your project and navigate to the export settings. Here, you'll want to select a higher resolution, ideally 1080p or even 4K, for the sharpest image. Next, adjust your frame rate to either 30 FPS or 60 FPS for smoother playback. Finally, ensure you choose a higher bitrate to capture more detail and reduce compression artifacts. Once your basic settings are optimized, dive into Capcut's Adjust panel. Here, you can fine-tune brightness and contrast to make your footage more vibrant. Don't forget to use the sharpening tool. A subtle touch can really make details pop without overdoing it. Also, experiment with saturation and hue to achieve accurate and appealing color correction for your video. For an extra boost, explore Capcut's Enhance features, which can automatically improve aspects like facial features or overall clarity. If your video looks a bit grainy, use the noise reduction tool to clean up the footage, making it appear much smoother. When exporting, always choose a high-quality format such as MP4 with the H.264 codec to preserve your hard work. When it's time to export your masterpiece, double-check that you've selected the absolute highest resolution and frame rate available to you. This ensures your video looks its best on any screen. Always aim for a high bitrate to retain maximum quality and avoid any unwanted compression. Remember, a great video deserves a great presentation. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.